check it.
Welcome back to my channel. My name is Janelle Samora, and this is Scent Talk from my closet, the fragrance closet. On this channel, we go over all things fragrance. We cover niche perfume houses. We go over layering combos. We talk about dupes and clones of original fragrances, highlight indie perfume brands on the channel, all things fragrance. If that's something you're interested in, go ahead and continue watching. Consider hitting that subscription button and the bell so you'll be notified to new videos, because you never know which fragrance house or perfume topic we're going to cover next. In today's video, we are continuing our genre perfumes exploration. In the description bar, you can go ahead and find the link to the first video that we did for the house. It gives you basic instructions on how to order fragrances from the house, where you can find them on Etsy as well. So I invite you to check that video out. In today's video, we are reviewing INITIO's Psychedelic Love. This is inspired by fragrance here by the House of Genre Perfumes, and they have titled it MDMA. So I kept spraying this. It is a little addictive. I did a patch test last night, and I went out to walk Charlie. If you've been on the channel, you know I have a corgi mix named Charlie, and he takes his evening walks. Sprayed it on, went outside, fell in love, and I thought, ooh, it's going to be nice and cool tomorrow. I will definitely save this one for the cooler weather. So the notes in this fragrance, this is it's a floral fragrance. It was released in the year 2017. We have bergamot, rose, myrrh, vanilla, patchouli, heliotrope, and hedione. Hedione being a jasmine-like scent, and heliotrope has vanilla and almond-like qualities, very, very creamy, and this scent in general is really creamy. Genre has done a beautiful job here, just very smooth, blended so well. I still have it on my clothes, and it is still here on my skin. It has been a good 14 going on 15 hours, you guys. It's been a while. This went the distance. I could smell it. It had a really nice throw. I could smell it coming back. The sillage is definitely there. I did read quite a bit of reviews talking about how this scent just shines in the cooler weather, and it really, really did. I enjoyed it. It opens up really sweet, creamy, floral. Oh, there's a very mild spice as well in the far background. The myrrh is not very heavy. The spice doesn't feel like cinnamon or, you know, a really strong cardamom or anything of that nature. It just feels very, very nice, like in the way background. And it stays the whole way. Some reviews talk about how they felt like this scent was a little linear. I could see that. But I could also see the fact that it would kind of go in and out. I could smell the little incense vibe, and then I couldn't. I could just smell creamy and vanilla and almond-like qualities coming from the heliotrope throughout the day. There was a point close to the beginning when it wants to go into the heart of the wear, where it just felt like it was going into licorice territory, and I was like, no, come back. That's not a huge deal breaker for me, but if it's a very strong licorice feel, then I get a little bit put off by it. So I definitely did get a licorice quality to it. Was going there, and then it just kind of puts the brakes on, like and it is extremely enjoyable the entire day. Like I'm saying, creamy. I get a very faint powdery feel as well in this dry down. Oh, with those vanilla and those almonds. Yes. This was very enjoyable. I got absolutely no sharp edges anytime throughout the wear. It opened up beautifully creamy, and like I'm saying, with that myrrh in the background. But oh man, but it's just, you just want to keep smelling it. It's that good. Oh goodness, yes. I really truly enjoyed this. Oh, it smells sophisticated in a way. It doesn't smell, yeah, it just smells sophisticated. Other than the small licorice phase that I'm mentioning, I really didn't get any more hard transitions, like, oh, we started off this and that. No, it was just kind of wafting in and out with those creamy florals and the creamy vanilla. Vanilla like, definitely not full on vanilla, but it had vanilla like qualities. Oh yeah. But is it a floral fragrance? Yes, you could definitely smell the florals in here. And oh man, like almost even those fragrances that have sandalwood in the dry down. Does this have sandalwood? No. I almost got this sandalwood, you know, quality to it as well, like a creamy sandalwood, or maybe it was just in my mind, but I was fixated on the fact that this had sandalwood all day and it doesn't. Oh wow. It would go nicely with some sandalwood, with a sandalwood base, like maybe like Victoria's Secret Bear would go really nice, like the lotion, or any vanilla sandalwood lotion, like your Bath and Body Works warm vanilla sugar would also go really nice, layered underneath this. And it's just enjoyable the entire way through. I truly like that one. Is an upsizable fragrance. So this is the last offering from the House of Initio, inspired by the House of Initio, here from Genre Perfumes that I have. So we'll go ahead and choose another scent to try out tomorrow. I do have to say that I truly enjoyed this Psychedelic Love. I also enjoyed the one we wore yesterday. Was that Pendulum? I'm just gonna have to go in. Yeah, it was called Pendulum. It was Initio's Side Effect. I just have to go, I oversprayed it. I have to go in with a lighter hand to be able to fully enjoy that one. And I do have the originals, Initio's Absolute Aphrodisiac. Love it. I do love this one as well. Very beautiful. Vanilla goes into the Crown Royal Sultan territory. Genre has one called Eau de Vanille that I have here full size, actually 30 ml. This is not the biggest that they offer. They do offer a 50 ml. So yeah, that's kind of like just kind of recapping, you know, the little three offerings we had here by the House of Initio. This is my first brush with it, you know, exploring more fragrances other than the Absolute Aphrodisiac that we had already wear tested. So I do have a full dedicated review to that. So I would be interested in getting maybe a travel size or so of the Side Effect because it was so strong. Same thing with the MDMA, the Initio Psychedelic Love. I would be interested in a little, you know, 10 ml. I believe they sell them in 11 mls or 10 mls on the site. They run you $73 for those 10 mls on the Initio website. So this is a pricey fragrance. The fragrance house, the 90 mls run in the 400s. So we were very sophisticated today. In fact, it smelled lovely. Truly enjoyed it. I'm happy that a house like this has this type of quality that you get to enjoy fragrances that are really, really pricey. And I'm more than sure that it comes close to the original. I do not have the original, but I do have originals of other of these fragrances, and they do such a good job. Itching to get back to Xerjoff, so I believe that will be my transition here. Tomorrow we will try a Genre's Xerjoff offering. Okay guys, thank you guys so much for tuning in to the review. Just wanted to talk to you about the beautiful creamy floral you know, day we had. Very nice, very heavy though. I would not do this in the spring. I would not do this in the summer. I could see it getting cloying. I did not overspray this. I learned my lesson with the Pendulum by the House of Genre. So I didn't overspray. I sprayed moderately. Thank you guys so much. Have a blessed rest of your day, your night, or your evening, and you stay safe. Thanks. Bye-bye.